What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Durrell back on this video. Today I got 5 ways to make passive income as a graphic designer. So stay tuned to check it out. Peace. All right, as you guys noticed, I do not have my face on camera right now. It's because I'm not at home, but I wanted to drop this video anyway. So we're going to try it in a podcast style. If you like it like this, please leave a comment, like the video, and let me know if you like it, or if you want me to go back to my regular face on camera and all that. So yeah, let me know. As a graphic designer, I think it's big to have multiple ways of having income for yourself, right? So I don't think you should always just have one stream of income. I'm a firm believer that you should have multiple, just because life happens, things happen, and you're really putting yourself at risk when you only have one stream of income. So if you're only focused on clients, if you only have one client or just two, if both of those people decide to leave you, you're fucked. Or if you only deal with selling digital products, if something happens to your website, you're fucked. You know what I mean? So I want to talk about multiple ways you can make passive income today. So let's get started. All right, so number one, selling digital products. All right, so with this, you got templates, fonts, icon packs, logos that you might not be using, tech packs, mockups, Shopify templates, WordPress templates, and more. You know, anything that saves time for other designers or businesses, you can sell it. Honestly, being a realist, I know the first thought in your brain is like, oh God, everything is just so oversaturated and blah, blah, blah. I get that. And that's true. However, that's when you're having your own unique design style comes into play, because everybody isn't for everybody. So it may seem oversaturated, but it's really not, because there's going to be people that resonate with what you offer. You and your experiences will shape your design style, and those things that you create will make you more attractive to the people who resonate with you. So you got to put yourself in the game to hoop.
Draymond Green pushing. 6 assists for Green. Curry along 3. It's good! Steph Curry from way downtown. Some Curry chaos here on the third. It's the largest lead of the game.
The way to think about this is figure out what people are struggling with and then create a solution. You know, for example, social media templates for small businesses or mockups for new designers, you know, stuff like that. Or you could sell mockups for streetwear companies or just clothing brands. When I owned a clothing brand, I was always hunting for mockups because I was lazy and didn't want to do my own, and I wanted something quick. So imagine if I came across your website, you had some mockups for sale for like $15 to $20, and I copped all of them. How would that make you feel? But you can't do that if you don't put yourself in the game, right? You know, and even if you don't have your own website, you can do platforms like Etsy, Gumroad. But again, my personal choice is always going to be my own website and my own platform, because every time somebody buys something, it's money in my pocket. No extra work is required. I can build it once, I can sell it infinite times, you know. And I'm always prefer my own website, because in the past I used websites like Shopify and Store Envy, and I hated getting taxed because they were sending traffic to my website, right? So I learned how to send traffic to my own site, and I cut out the middleman and went straight with WordPress. And I taught myself how to design a website on there, and I made more money that way. So check that out. Number 2, creating and selling courses. All right, so the key to this, man, is you got to have audacity, and don't let imposter syndrome stop you from getting started. If you know your shit, teach that shit. Like, there are always going to be beginners out there looking to learn, and they'll pay for your knowledge. You know, you just got to make sure it's structured and it's easy to follow. You know, don't have the course all over the place, bro. That's crazy work. But nah, you can make a full course on Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, or even a platform like School. On School, you can sell monthly subscriptions. You know, the key is to focus on your niche, right? So if you're an incredibly talented logo designer, or you design the craziest flyers, like, your skill set, you can teach somebody that. You may not think you can, but if you can continuously do it and you can teach yourself, you could teach somebody else, bro. Don't talk yourself out of it, is what I'm trying to say, you know, or just do whatever you're best at. You don't have to learn a new skill and then try to sell it. Just do what you're best at and then sell it that way. To start off, you could ask ChatGPT, hey, give me 10 things that people want to learn about, insert subject, and it will give you the answers you need. And then you can figure out what people want to learn from that and then get to work. You record it once, edit it, upload it, and let the money roll in, my guy. All right, number 3, print on demand. So say you always wanted to start a clothing brand, right? It's easier now than it's ever been. You know, you can put your art on t-shirts, hoodies, or posters now. You know, print on demand lets you upload your designs, and the platform handles the printing and shipping. You know, my personal favorite that I use is Printify and Printful. I use both on my current website. The best part about print on demand is you don't even need inventory. You just need fire designs. When I had my clothing brand, I had hella inventory. I had shelves and shit in my office, and I was stressed about selling my merch. And I stupidly put all my money into that, right? I even had screen printing equipment in the garage, and that was my mistake. What I should have done was use the print on demand website, design the merch, focused on packaging and marketing it, and then put the money behind running ads for Instagram and Facebook and just focused on the visual platforms. And that would have helped my shit grow so much faster. But you live and you learn, right? But anyway, if you got an eye for design trends, this can be a serious bag for you. Try it out and then send your boy some merch. Let me rock your shit on the video. What we talking about? Number 4, stock graphics and assets. So look, designers, marketers, and businesses are always looking for high quality stock graphics, illustrations, and textures. When I worked for my first t-shirt design company, and even this sign company that I used to work for, we never created our own designs. They always had us shopping for clip art and stock images because it was faster. You know, this was like the McDonald's of design companies. So if you have your own unique design style, you could sell it on Adobe Stock, Envato Elements, Creative Market, or again, your own website. You know, this is where having your own design style resonates the most because yeah, there could be a bunch of designers on there, but if I like your style and it resonates with me, I don't give a fuck who else on there. I'm rolling with you. I'm copying yours because it's what I'm looking for. So my question for you is, how can they find your work if you don't make it available? They can't. So if you got some old designs laying around, some old illustrations, some old textures, some old logos, something, make them available. Put them on these websites, my guy. You gonna be straight, you can get you a bag. After you do that, then create you a flyer, post that flyer on your Instagram, on your TikToks, on your Snapchat, wherever the fuck you gonna post it, and send traffic to that place so people can purchase it. Don't just post it on there and rely on them to do all the work. No, you do it too. If you're gonna make some money, you gotta put your efforts behind it as well. All right, last but not least, YouTube monetization. Y'all already know YouTube is a beast. If you're a designer, why not share what you know? You know what I mean? Like tutorials, behind the scenes, project breakdowns, job experiences, day in the lives. You got speed art videos. I watch all that shit. And all of these bring in ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing opportunities. But look, it take a while to grow. You know, once you hit 1,000 subs, then you got to get your 4,000 watch time hours, and you can start getting paid at that point. And you know, the crazy part is, the more valuable your content, the bigger the bag. So also, you can use this platform to send traffic to your website and digital product. You know, it's been damn near 2 years since my Shador Sanders video and 3 years since my waffle logo, a redesign video. And I hate that fucking logo so much, but both of those videos send me projects till this day. I've made thousands of dollars off of those videos alone due to project opportunities. Mind you, my channel not even monetized yet, so I don't get paid for these videos that I'm putting up, but I do get the traffic from these videos, and I send it right to my website, and I get clients that way. So you don't always have to get paid on the front end. Sometimes you get paid on the back end, and shit, you make more money that way as well. But look, say this video didn't hit the spot for you. Say you need a little bit more one-on-one time. I got you. Hit the link in the description. I got portfolio reviews, and I got career advice and whatever mentorship you might need, right? Go to my website, cop a consultation, and I got you. Or a portfolio review, whatever it is, I got you. And we can get started today. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I love y'all, and I'm holla at y'all soon. Peace.